I'm going to walk down there. Not the best of days, it's raining, but we'll see what it's like. This is the Comica Boom XD. A little bit special because this connects directly via a USB-C there. I'm going to show you on the camera. Now at the moment it's being picked up by the phone and it's not the best audio. Not only that, as I walk away when I'm doing things, it fades out. Hence the reason for buying these. I'm going to go through the features and benefits of it in quite a bit of detail, and I'll show you them in operation. But first, I'll just show it you on the camera phone. And the other thing that I wanted to say was, this isn't the first wireless microphone that I've had. I've had the usual wireless Lavalier ones. I've also had a Bluetooth one, which was atrocious because it had to connect via an app and there was loads of delay and lag. Just really, really bad, and that was £100. But these for £200 and odd, absolutely fantastic. So let's see them in operation. Right, so we've put the receiving attachment onto the phone now. It's lighting up saying that there's power and everything, which I'll show you. And to connect this microphone or both microphones to it now, all you need to do is press the on button. So if we just come over, we'll do that. So as you can see, there's the receiver. And now when I press this, just keep your finger on it for a second, it comes on and straight away you've got the light change to purple. And you can also see you've got the meter on the side showing that it's picking up. And if we switch the second one on, like that, now you've got the second channel that's picked up. So ideally if you want two channels or if you're interviewing. Right, so let's see in operation, and we'll do it over a distance as well so that you can see what it's like. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this as a lapel mic. Basically just pop it in there like that and keep it there. Now you do get the wired lapel mic, and it comes with the foam top and the clip, and you also get the windproof top with it as well. You get two of those because you've got two mics, but I tend not to use these because they're a bit of an irritant to me, and I just want to be able to get on and do the recording. So it's in there now. I'm going to walk down there. Not the best of days, it's raining, but we'll see what it's like. So as I'm walking away, I'll probably go about 30 or 40 feet. And I know that you're going to still be able to hear me because it's an absolutely fantastic mic. So turn around now, probably about 60 feet away actually. Right, I'll come back, you can still hear me talking, and that just shows the effectiveness of it. And because it's just clipped onto me, there's just no messing around, and it's so much better than the Bluetooth one I had, and so much less hassle than the actual wired one that I used as well, where you had your separate receiver. Having that attached to the phone via the USB-C port, absolutely fantastic. So a closer look at the Comica Boom X. Now this is the UC2. There is another variant of this that has got a different type of receiver, the type that you can take from it and it can plug into a camera or a video or something like that type of device. Quick look at what's on here. You've got your battery monitor, you've got the display to show you that it's picking up, tells you whether it's in stereo, tells you whether it's in receiving area. Just a really good mic. There's your USB-C charging point on the side. You've also got a reset. On the top there's your input for your wired mic, but this works fantastically. And that's the screen when the mic's charging. However, this for me is absolutely fantastic. I get my phone, I put it in, I turn this on and it's connected, and it's wonderful. We'll go through it, but I just want to show you what comes with it first. So you've got your two mics, you've got your receiver with a USB connector on it. You do get a USB-C charger for the mics, but I've got those lying all over the house so I don't use that. You do get your wired lapel mic, you get two of those, there you go. You also get your windproof mic that goes over the top of it if you need it, and there's the other one. Now for me to be able to just take that, and in all honesty there is one downside, but that only downside is that you've just got to take the case off for the USB-C to make full connection, but you just pop it in and it shows that it's powered, and this will be powered for as long as the camera works, which was an issue that I had with the wireless mic that I've got, with the other wireless mic that I've got. So if I pop that down now, and I showed you earlier on, but literally if you switch that on, as soon as it comes on, it registers there, it changes colour, so you know that it's connected, and you can see there it's picking up exactly what I'm saying. You've got your sound on it there. That's fantastic. Something else as well, you've actually got a headphone out socket there, so if somebody's videoing you, they can tell what's being picked up by the mic and the quality of it. So I think one of the questions to ask is, why have I invested £215 in this? Well, the reason is I've tried two other things. So first of all, I tried this. This is a this is a Bluetooth mic, and it looks fantastic, nice and small, clips into your collar or your shirt. It's absolutely awful. First of all, you've got to use it with a specific app on the phone, so that negates any of your normal camera controls because you're in another app. And the other thing about it, there's so much lag on it. I don't know if it's because it's Bluetooth, but there's so much lag. Whatever I was saying was completely out of sync with my lips, so that was a waste of money. The second one that I got after that was this, and it is good, in as much as it works exactly as it should work. So it's a wireless lapel mic. So there you've got your transmitter. I think I've got the receiver attached to it. Oh no, there's the receiver. So there's the receiver. So that goes onto your tripod, your camera goes onto the back of it, and you turn it on and it connects automatically. And it's just like this in as much as it's 2.4 gigahertz wireless. The trouble with it was always running out of power, and the number of times that I lost audio and I didn't realise that I'd lost audio because it was so far away, and I had to do retake after retake. It was really frustrating. A good piece of kit, works over a long distance, but very, very frustrating. So if you put all that to one side, you don't need to carry that big kit around. You don't need to worry about being out of sync. All you need is your phone, the receiver, and one or two mics. Absolutely fantastic. Such a big recommendation. Definitely, if you're doing anything like recording, like taking YouTube videos, this is for you.